I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make egg potato salad with mayonnaise. Start by boiling potatoes and eggs until tender. Cool, peel, and roughly chop both. Mix potatoes and eggs with mayonnaise, a splash of vinegar, and mustard. Season with salt, pepper, and a pinch of paprika. Chill briefly so flavors meld and serve chilled or at room temperature with a garnish of fresh herbs. Peel potatoes before or after cooking based on preference, then chop into even pieces. Put eggs in cold water, bring to a boil, then simmer gently for 10 minutes for fully set yolks. Shock both potatoes and eggs in ice water to stop cooking and to make peeling easier. Dry on a towel so mayonnaise sticks and proceed to combine ingredients while everything is still slightly warm for best texture. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so you see more recipes. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth helped me think about money differently, which made buying good kitchen tools easier and more joyful, and I thought you might enjoy it too. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Combine mayonnaise and mustard in a bowl, then stir in a splash of vinegar or squeeze of lemon for brightness. Add salt and pepper, taste, and adjust slowly so you do not overseason. Fold in chopped potatoes and eggs gently to preserve chunks for texture. Mix in optional add-ins like celery, pickles, or herbs sparingly. Chill for at least 30 minutes to let flavors meld before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.